Page 19, lightly row. This piece is in a lot of method books of one arrangement or another. There's a finger drill at the top. You can have fun going over that. I don't like drills, so I don't cover it. Let's look the piece over and make sure we understand everything going on here. You see it's got treble and bass clef. It's got 4/4 time. And now we have one flat in the key signature. That means all the B's anywhere in the piece are automatically going to be B flat instead of B. So if you have a B, instead of a B, you're going to play a B flat. And the B could be anywhere, wherever, okay. And hopefully you will remember that if one flat is the key of F major. Please try and remember that, F major. Let's take this one hand at a time, make sure we have the notes and the rhythms okay. Right hand, you're starting little finger here, that puts you in this position. Remember the B flat, it's part of the position because it's in the key signature. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Get the idea? So you go through it and make sure you can play the right hand okay. Then we do the same with the left hand. The left hand starts here on an F, so that puts you in this position. Remember the B flat. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, oh this is exciting, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we there yet? 4, 1. So you go through and play the left hand all the way through, make sure you can play it okay. And then we try and put the hands together. When you first put the hands together, you're probably going to hesitate and things, and that's okay at first. So we just want the hands to work together. So the hands are here, and you're playing here first, little fingers, but you're holding the left hand down. And now here it's here, thumb, here. And now it's here, and here, and here, and here. Let's go down to the second line on the last two measures at the end of the second line. You're here, remember the B flat? And then together it's a here, here, here. Remember the B flat? Okay, and then go on. And then here. See, they play in different fingers at the same time, and that can get weird. But you'll get it eventually, it comes. So you go through, put the hands together, and then go back through it a few hundred times or whatever, and get rid of the hesitations. So it's a steady beat. No hesitations allowed. Eventually, you got to work them out, get rid of them. Doesn't matter how fast you go. Just whatever. When you're ready, come back to the play with me and play it along with me. I'll give us 4 counts because there's 4 beats in the time signature. And let's just play it together slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4,